Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Let's maybe twist this around so that our lighting is slightly better. Should have tested that before I started the video. Hello! I'm a professional, I swear. Anyway, hello everyone. Hope that you are having a fantastic day. I just thought that I would take you guys along today because it's going to be a busy day. It actually already has been a busy day. I'm starting this vlog at 11:28 a.m. and I have been up for quite a while. I've already been out of the house because I had to bring Molly Cat to the vet today. Poor little baby, I feel so bad for her. She was so sad and scared. I told Connor that I literally felt like a mom dropping her kid off at daycare and just like having to wave goodbye and be like, I'm sorry. Very sad, but obviously she's gonna be totally fine. No particular reason why I was bringing her to the vet, just like comprehensive review or checkup, updating her on her vaccines, getting dewormed, blah, blah, blah. All of the fun little things. So poor baby, but I think I should be able to pick her up in the next like hour-ish. They're gonna call me, but they said around lunchtime. And so I sort of want to get out of the house because I have some things that I want to take care of before I pick her up. That way when I pick her up, I can just bring her right home. Obviously, I'm not gonna bring her places with me. But yeah, there's quite a few things that I want to get taken care of today. I want to take my car through a car wash and maybe even get it detailed if I can. I'm not sure how long that will take or what the deal is. I also need to bring my car to get a smog check because I need to get that done in order to get my license plate switched from New Jersey to California, which I have to get taken care of like ASAP. So need to do that. And then what else? Oh, I also want to find somewhere to put some more air in my tires because one of them is looking a little bit flat. I do think there's probably a very small leak in it. That's sort of what my dad told me because he said he just filled up the tires like maybe 2 months ago, and you obviously don't need to fill up tires that often, but obviously it's a really small leak. We'll need to get the tire fixed or replaced, but for now that should be okay. I sort of think that that's it. I think that that's everything that we need to get taken care of before picking up Molly Cat, and then we'll go get our little baby Bean, bring her home. Look at how gorgeous our flowers are looking here, you guys. I'm obsessed with these tulips. They're so pretty. The one is just like jetting off so far to the side. Like, what's going on here, little guy? Just a little heavy for you to hold up. Anyway, so yeah, I guess we'll just head out now and we're just gonna zip around in the car and get some ish done. Very exciting stuff. I'm gonna change into shorts though because it is warm out today, which is amazing. I'm so happy and excited. Yeah, currently 75 and it's going up to 78. I'm so happy. And then tomorrow's gonna be really nice too, which is great because it's my birthday tomorrow. So the next vlog that you see will actually be a birthday vlog. Very pumped for the day. But after my birthday, it gets chilly again. LA chilly, I know. It's nothing compared to what everyone else goes through. I get it. And now that I've just word vomited all over you, let's go get changed and get going. Just packing up a little bag here because I figure I'll probably be waiting at a couple places, so I want to bring my Kindle with me. And then I need my wallet out of here. Wha-bam. I'll throw my keys in. I want my AirPods. And then, yeah, I just threw some earrings in. I changed into my shorts. I have a little tank underneath too if this sweatshirt gets too warm. By the way, this is Tara's sweatshirt. Totally forgot that I had this. She gave it to me the last time she was in LA. I meant to bring it to Toronto with me in October, but totally forgot that I even had it. And then I found it in my closet the other day and I was like, this is cute. I'm going to wear it again, but I'm gonna return it to her tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for letting me borrow this for like a year, Tara. It's ridiculous. I think that's everything I need. And we are going to head out now. I think the first place we're gonna go is to get our smog check done. Actually, before we go, I do want to bring a little drink with me in the car. And I'm just gonna bring some sport tea because I have some already made in the fridge. Some medicine in there too. Okay, now let's head out. It's a bummer that there's no good place to put my camera in this car where it doesn't like move too much while driving. Sort of sucks. Anyway, by far though, favorite feature of our car, the sunroof. I am so obsessed with having the sunroof open because it like lets in all the fresh air and you feel like the warmth, and it's so good without like wind whipping you. You know what I mean? When the windows are down, it's amazing. I love it so much. Like, look at this. Oh, it's a beautiful freaking day outside. I'm all for it. Yeah, we're gonna try the vlogging and driving again. Here we go. Oh God, I'm so nervous. Got a call from the vet. Molly is all good to go. All of her blood work came back clear. Everything was good, all in all. So very, very pleased about that. Yeah, I told him that I would come pick her up in about an hour, so we have that time to go and run these last few errands. So I'm on my way to the smog check place now, and then we'll go and get a car wash and head to pick up our girl. Okay, slight change in plans because there is a wait here, so we're actually gonna go through the car wash first, and then we'll circle back here. Car washes, I found one that I wanted to go to. We are on the road again. Nothing's going quite to plan today, is it? That's okay though. 6 minutes away, and we are off. So friends, how many times am I gonna come on here and say, there's been a change of plans? Because there has in fact been another change of plans. I tried to go to this car wash, but it was so backed up and I was like, I don't got time to sit around at this place right now. But I had passed a smog check place called Santa Monica Smog Check. So went through there, nicest people, took 3 minutes. It was so quick. I mean, like so fast. Car pass, so that's all good to go. And now I'm heading towards where I'm gonna pick up Molly. We're gonna see if we can find a car wash along the way. I found a place that had amazing reviews, so I'm hoping that they can take my car. It's called George's Auto Detailing. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm not totally sure what's gonna happen there, but I feel bad. It's like reaching a point where I really need to go pick up Molly. Also, this lighting is terrible because of my sunroof. Sorry, you just had to look at that for so long, but I feel like this location of putting my camera there is holding pretty well, all things considered. So anyway, 3 minutes until we're at George's Auto Detailing, and then we'll see how that goes, and otherwise we're just gonna go and pick up Molly because I don't want to leave her waiting there for too long, my little angel. Well friends, we tried. We really did on the car wash situation. It's clearly not happening, at least not before I pick up Molly Cat, so we're gonna get back on the road and get to our girl because she needs us. So let's go pick up our favorite kitty cat. Okay, let's go get our baby bestie. I can't wait to see her. Check out the birds they have in here. So pretty. Hello. Let's see what other pets they have. Hamsters. Is there anyone in here? Oh, there's a guinea pig. Oh, yeah. Hop away, my little friend. So cute. Oh, this one's sleepy. Just a little sleepy boy. Me too. Look at this little guy. Playful. So cute. This little sleepy black cat. I love black cats. Oh, okay. Anyway, enough with these other pets. We have the one pet we need. Well, actually, while we're here, I want to switch up Molly's food. Let's see if they have the one I want here. Ah, yes, here we go. Purina Live Clear. Apparently this is good for helping with allergies, which would be great for Connor because he is allergic to Molly Cat. So we're gonna give it a try.
And then for security, when is your birthday?
March 2nd, 1994.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Oh, what did you do?
What am I doing? So I think I'm gonna go to Malibu with my best friend during the day, and then my boyfriend made dinner reservations at a very fancy restaurant, so I'm looking forward to it.
Mine is in 10 days.
Oh, no way, love it. Pisces.
I know. Wow.
Great. Hi, Molly Cat.
Yeah. She just liked the dark better, so
Yeah,
that's
no
why we kept
problem.
that on.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
very much.
Yeah,
I
no
appreciate it.
problem.
Have a good one. Baby. Hey, look, it's Mom. Hi, you ready to go home? Yeah, let's go home. Okay, let's go. Look at our pretty girl, back again. Hi, baby girl. Wait, I want to pet you. Hold on. Pretty girl. Hi. Yeah, you can't come all the way out, but I wanted to say hi to you. I know. It was a big day, huh? You ready to go home? Yeah, let's go home. Okay, back in we go. Oh, I'm so happy to have my girl back and that she's so healthy. Yeah, you were so healthy. All of your blood came back good. Oh yeah, the cries are gonna start again. She cried the whole way to the vet this morning. So we're gonna start crying again, huh? Back at it. Oh, here's my dad calling. Let's see if I can pick up the, this. Hello?
Hey.
Hey. Okay, here comes everyone's favorite girl. Back home. What do you think? You know this place. Yeah. You made it. Come here, my little love. Hi. Oh yeah. I know it. You don't like being held, but I missed you so much. I heard you were such a good girl. Yeah, and I loved how little chunky your neck is. It's so cute. Yeah, you are so cute and good. Okay, all right, there you go. Oh man, all finished with work and I was literally just about to be like, okay, I'm gonna go and try to find a car wash again. And then I remembered that I have a workout at 5 p.m. so never mind. And that's gonna be a fun little birthday activity for me tomorrow because the car just needs it. It's gotta be taken care of. So I'm gonna try to get that done tomorrow morning. But we will see what happens. Anyway, it is, yeah, 4:58, so we need to log on and get ready for our workout. It has been a very productive day though, you guys. Just got a lot of stuff off my plate that I've been avoiding, so it's always good.
Thank you so much for joining me today. This is so fun. So good to see you.
I know, it's so fun.
I love that. My eyes were adjusting really fast for a sec there, and I was like, is she holding onto a panda? No,
personal panda.
Molly.
Workout complete. Another great one in the books. I have to tell you guys, doing those workouts with Kaya have changed the way that I look at fitness. It is the first time in my entire life that I've enjoyed working out ever, like literally ever. I look forward to it, in fact. I crave it even. It's just so good. It's just, I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm going to try to remember to link her page down below, but it's Kaya Dalbora if you want to look her up. She's incredible. If you feel like taking class with me ever, I usually take live class at 5 p.m. PST, Tuesday and Wednesday, because I do my private on Thursday. So if you ever want to come and like be in class with me and we can take class together, that'd be really fun. Her and I have actually talked about a lot of things that we sort of want to do together cross-promotionally. So like definitely we'll keep you in the loop about that. Maybe we'll be doing classes specifically for you guys every once in a while, which would be cool. But anyway, just had to give that little shout out. And now starts the birthday beautification process because I need to shower, I need to wash my hair, I need to tan, I think I'm gonna straighten my hair. It's gonna be a whole process, so let's get into it, you guys. Okay, shower complete. Feels so good. I literally like scalded my skin off. I love super hot showers like that. And now we are going to work on my hair because I do want to straighten my hair again. And I am going to try the Revlon brush again, you guys. I listened to all the things you told me. You told me my hair had to be like 80% dry, which it definitely is way too dry already. It's unbelievable how quickly my hair dries. Yeah, we're gonna give it another go. You know, this is the exact scenario that I said I would keep it for, where like, I don't really want to wait for my hair to dry, but I want to straighten it. This is it, you know? So here we are, and we're gonna give it a go. I honestly wasn't planning on it, but then I was like, should I have to wait for my hair to dry? And I didn't feel like doing that, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm going to just brush my hair. And when I straighten my hair, I like to do a middle part so that I can like flip it over and it gets a lot of nice volume. I'm obviously not gonna film this whole process again, and if you missed that video, it's up on my channel of me trying this brush for the first time. Very curious to see, hear, whatever, how my feelings might change about it. Bottom layer done. Also, just a note, I'm not gonna worry about trying to get my hair like perfectly straight right now because I'm just gonna touch it up in the morning. I just want like a really good base so that I don't have to spend too much time on it tomorrow. I still think that these need to be buttons, not like a switch where I need two hands. Not a switch that I need two hands to turn because like, that's not helpful. Hear me out, you guys. New idea. What if I use this tool and my straightener in tandem? Because I can do bigger sections than I usually would with my straightener because it's already like, you know, thinned out a little bit since it's straightened. And so like at this point, I can go in and touch it up. Again, this is so much freaking work, so many tools, so much heat on my hair. Sort of stressful, but just the way it goes, eh? Okay, there's one half of my head 100% finished. We just have a couple more layers on the other side to go. And it's been about a half hour, so I would say that's going a little bit faster this time, but I'm gonna finish up this side of my hair and then we can chat a bit about what I think. Okay, hair complete. I feel like that worked out pretty well in tandem, like the blow dryer with the straightener. I feel like that worked a little better for me. It definitely went faster this time. I feel like probably because I knew what I was doing a little bit more, which makes sense. Not totally convinced that this is gonna last. The last time it took about an hour before it was like, phew. So we'll have to see. I just want to put a little bit more Olaplex in there, just something to help get a little bit more moisture in there again. See, like the problem there is that like I wouldn't just leave the house and trust that my hair is gonna stay straight. After a sleep and I get to like run an iron over it again, I have a little bit more faith, but that sucks. Again, it's just not a magic tool for me, but I feel like I'm getting the hang of it a little bit more. Maybe I will use it more often than I originally thought I would. We will see. Gonna use some of my Bread Beauty oil in my hair too. So much hair. How do I lose so much hair? I don't understand. Straight through the hair. So now that I have my hair done, I'm just gonna use like one of my giant scrunchies and just throw it back like this. And I will keep you guys in the loop if I notice my hair getting like big or crazy before bed. Now that I'm done with that, I can tan, which I've gotten so speedy at. That used to be such an endeavor for me, and now it takes me like 5 minutes. I'm going to do that, and then yeah, we're gonna go help Connor with dinner because he is starting it right now. We are tanned, our hair is straightened, and our birthday prep is complete an hour and a half later. Let's go get to dinner. Hello, love. How is it going?
It's going well.
Looking good.
Wait till you see what we got going on.
Salmon looking good.
So we got
Ooh, looking delish.
so the soy sauce, and then that
And then some lemon.
Asian vinaigrette, as well as lemon. We got a lot of lemon there.
I love it. All for
We're just
it.
committing to it.
Dinner a la Coco is served. Thanks for making dinner, Con.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Just made little poke bowls.
Pre-birthday dinner,
That's right, pre-birthday dinner.
and then a pretty good birthday dinner.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to tell you guys all about this dinner tomorrow. You're gonna die. Or not tomorrow for you, but tomorrow for me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's definitely a busy little day, but successful. And I'm honestly just gonna end the vlog here because there's nothing else going on today. But I will see you in my next video for a birthday vlog. It's gonna be so fun. Can't wait.